So the category we are reading for tonight is category 15, Children, Youth, Teen Program Special Series.
And the nominees are
Learning to Win WCIU, The Physics and Chemistry of Karst Topography, Discover Media Works Incorporated.
And the winner is
the Physics and Chemistry of Karst Topography, Discover Media Works Incorporated.
The chemistry and physics of Karst Topography.
Yeah, we'll see.
Sometimes we can actually see water contamination happening. Like a surface pipe discharging polluted water into a lake. Not good.
Wow. All right, I gotta think of COM 101. Gotta take a deep breath. All right, first I would like to thank the awesome team at Discover Media Works, especially Dan Bertalion for helping put together this show. Also like to thank the experts and hosts for taking a tricky topic like karst topography and making it fun. And lastly, I would like to thank the Academy for honoring a program that empowers our next generation to think critically about the future of the planet. Thank you and take care.